Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm just tying in a couple circuits into my panel so I can make the lights go on. It's Rika Scott. Hi again. Thank you for checking into the live stream. Also, thank you for the continuing support of the channel. Yes, you also. Nice to see you also. I know it's been a while since I last seen you on the live, I believe. But again, um, thank you for checking into the live. Obviously, while you weren't here, I was still giving a shout out. So again, it's nice that everything's okay with you and you're back and up and running. If you took a break, I'm not sure, but nice to see you back. Um, again, this is I'm just working away, and I decided to do a live while I work away. Um, there are times when I do this. So today was it's one of these days that I'm basically doing that. And again, for all those who are checking into the live stream, you can simply double tap to like up the live. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm trying to power up some of the rest of my lighting, and obviously, um, sometimes it's hard to do the work now that they have the tiling guys are here. Everyone is here, and I simply need to get my lighting power up. So I'm basically working away in this room today, uh, at least so I can get the power on. Also, again, you can double tap to like the stream. It doesn't cost you anything to like up the live. Um, so, like I said, I'm just working away, trying to power up some lighting, and I'm currently inside the electrical room, and obviously the wire is tagged, so I simply have to strip my wire and install it into the into the panel. So again, Ezekiel, thanks for checking into the live, and again, thank you guys all who are here. Thank you guys all for the continuing support of the channel and also my subscribers. Please allow me to reach uh, 4,000 subscribers. So again, thank you guys all for the continuing support uh, of the channel. Oh, you're welcome. I realized that it wasn't there, so um, I put it back. basically, what I'm doing is I'm working away at the panel, and kind of a little bit hot in here right now. Ignore the I'm a little bit under the weather. Um, what's up, my sheep? My sheep. Thank you for checking into the live, and thank you again for taking the time to check into my live stream. Again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, Mansur. Okay, Mansur. Where are you from, Mansur? Also, you can double tap the screen to like up the live, Mansur. Um, much appreciated. It doesn't cost you anything. It's Biskeskan. Okay. Great to have you here. Great to have you here again. Support the channel. So again, I'm just working away, and I decide to do a live. Um, normally, I would show, you know, in task count. Where is that exactly? I've never heard of that. Uzbekistan, Middle East. So again, excuse the noise. There's other people working away. A lot of times when there's other people working away, I normally come into a different location so that I can go live. Obviously, like I said, there's people here working, and if I happen to go on the other side, it's going to basically be too much noise. So instead, I pick a room where I can obviously concentrate, do my live. Again, my channel is pretty much about electrical. Um, that's basically what my channel is about. Um, normally, normally I do a live, maybe two lives a day, something like that. It all depends on the time I reach, and it all depends on who's at the job working. Uh, so I decided to do a live right now. So basically, what I'm doing, like I said, is I'm trying to power up. Again, Mansur, if you can double tap the live, universal community vibe. Um, what is that? Is real universal community vibe. I am Satet, Satetsnik. Okay. Um, what is that, Mansoor? Definitely. That's true. Israel, Scott, people from all over the world basically comes into my live stream. Um, Normally, when I go through YouTube, uh, the YouTube, you get to see a lot more people. If I do go through the StreamYard, I'm assuming it's limited. Um, but again, um, there are people from all over the world that comes to tune into my live stream. Much appreciated for everyone who shows the support of the channel. Isaiah Scott, I'm not sure if you've done I haven't seen you gone back live. I'm not sure if you went back live from that last time I last seen you there, but I hope you continue the good work that you were putting in and keep moving forward. Um, it can get pretty hectic at sometimes, but keep the faith, you know. That's what I believe in, faith. So I always try to keep the faith going. Israel um, movement up, up, up. Um, Again, nice to have you up movement. As you know, always supporting the channel and giving the strength. Great supporter of the channel, and really appreciate the support that you bring to the channel. Definitely, Patrick Gaza sits again. Thank you for checking into the to my live stream. Um, so I'm basically just working away. I'm obviously trying to power up some lighting again, and so the reason why I'm here in this room is because there's other people working, and they tend to keep a lot of noise while I'm working. So I wanted to come out and do a live. Uh, it's um, so I'm inside the furnace room, electrical room, trying to obviously connect my breaker. Connect my wires to the breaker, and for that reason, you're seeing you're not really seeing what I'm doing. Um, that's why I have the phone placed this way, so I can work away and I can look at the chat room. But again, Patrick Gaza Six, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for supporting me and the channel, along with Israel Scott and along with Up Movement TV. Uh, Enough love and respect for you guys to continue to show me the support so I can keep moving forward. So like I said, I'm basically hooking up some wires and Yes, thank you again, Xavier Scott. Thanks again for supporting the channel again. Um, like I said, you're always welcome. Um, welcome on the channel anytime. You feel welcome. Uh, Stop by when I'm doing my live streams. Like I said, we all go through our we all have our personal life to live. So again, thanks for checking in. So today was a late start for me, and luckily there's light in here, so it doesn't matter what time I reach here. I can basically start my day, um, get to work, and do what I need to do. It's basically how I go about my day when I'm obviously obviously when I'm working away. I still have a lot here to do at the panel, but I'm basically trying to turn on circuits that I only need. It's very important to remember that the the home is still under well, it's not under construction. It's getting to the process of finishing. Uh, it'll probably be a while from my judgment of working in homes. They still have to paint. They still have to do flooring. Uh, so there's tons here left. I'll be here for a while, obviously. Um, um, so again, the reason also why you guys normally see me alone is obviously my apprentice who's been with me for 4 years. Uh, Due to circumstances, is working from home. Um, he's working from home with the code book. Normally, what he does is if I need to find a code rule, I simply will call him or I will text him. He will look for that code rule for me. Um, reason being is because it's such a big home. Um, there's so many different rules that are changing right now. I want to make sure that I do have there's no rule changes on me. Obviously, uh, a lot of times, depending on what happened, there could be a rule change, and so in order for me to help him learn a lot faster with the code book, I simply pass that role on to him. Obviously, sometimes I will look myself if he's not capable of finding the rule that I need. But I do have, like I say, I do have an apprentice that works with me, but he's working from home, assisting me with the code rules. I think it's important also to when it comes to the code rules that you kind of teach the apprentices from early to start learning how to use the code, get familiar with the code book. Um, there are a lot of rules in there, and like I said, the rules change every time something happens. If it's a major incident, they're going to change that, amend that rule. It's happened a lot of times while I have been in the process of a job or started a job, and the rule that I might think that was existing um, would have changed on me. So a lot of times, what I do also is I will Google or I will go online to see which rules was changed on me. That way, when the inspector comes to inspect my job, I'm still I'm still following the code rules, even though it was changed on me. So it's very important to also remember, that a lot of times these rules just happen to change on us, and you know, so I try to keep that in mind. Um, so again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also hit the like and share. Cost you nothing. Uh, yes, at Movement TV. Um, it happens a lot of times on us, and I try to obviously, you know, I try to like I say, make sure that the code rules are not changed on me. Um, yeah, just excuse me. I'm under the a little bit under the weather. Normally, when I'm under the weather, I'm not my normal self. So, but yeah, there's a lot of rules that changes, and we have to keep remembering that. Yeah, I'm just a little bit. Like I say, I'm under the weather, but I still wanted to do a live stream. Um, Sometimes I normally before I was doing a live stream every day at work, but obviously as the job gets a little bit busier, um, with more people coming in, it's kind of hard for me to pick a time when I want to do a live stream. So for all those who are not subscribed, just keep the notification. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure the notification is turned to all. Yeah, movement. I'm trying to get rid of it. Um, it's another flu or cold, whatever it is. Has me feeling lazy and a little bit slow. So I'm trying to get rid of it as quick as possible. Obviously, Yeah, it could be the flu. It's funny because yeah, I don't. I'm trying to get rid of it as quick as possible. I think the reason why is because yeah, definitely I got some ginger some ginger yesterday, and some oranges and stuff like that. Wasn't able to make it this morning, but definitely after work I will. But I think a lot of times what happens here during the cold weather is the weather. People say that it's not so, but I have the belief that what happened was I didn't wear the jacket one day, and I didn't have my neck protector. So I think that's the reason why uh, I got sick, because every time I wear my neck protector, uh, the cold or the flu tends to stay away from me. But as soon as I take it off and be a little bit careless, it hits me. Definitely movement TV. Um, yeah, definitely. So but yeah, I'll be fine. Like I said, the cold is I'm trying to get rid of it, but it's part of life, right? Definitely Up Movement TV. Again, thanks for the support. Always supporting the channel, like wise to me. We're small channels trying to grow, and sometimes sometimes it can be easy, and sometimes it can be hard. But definitely, same with Israel Scott. The support is obviously is obviously good, and uh, morning. Yes, movement finally finally hit the 4K subscribers, and again, morning. Sorry, good afternoon, Kim. Uh, Thanks for checking into the live. I'm not sure. A movement just called your name and you just popped up. Um, so again, thanks for checking into the live. But yeah, the now I'm at 4K, and obviously, um, what it is right now is, you know, the watch hours is kind of the most difficult thing to try to achieve. Like I've heard everyone talking about it. But yeah, we'll see. And again, I saw you. Congrats to the 4K um, for you also. Um, Movement TV, you're in trouble, buddy. Um, Again, thanks for the lost my train of thought there. But yeah, it's definitely kind of the subscribers is good, but to get up to the watch hours, as we all know, it's kind of the hardest thing to achieve. But you know, with with the help of the Almighty, all everything is possible once you put your mind to it. Once you put your mind to it, everything is again possible. Um, so that's the way I basically go about it. Um, yes, up movement, definitely. I'm not sure how the watch hours work. Up movement TV. I'm kind of a little bit confused. I know there's either 4,000 or um, there's watch hours, there's public hours. So I do know that I think it's the watch hours that you need. Yeah, up to 1 year. But I think I think no, is where Scott Kim's not a new sub. Kim's been subscribed for a while. She normally pops up every now and then. I guess when she senses that someone's talking about her or maybe go live. Um, um, oh, hours with 365 day period. Yeah, it's always with 365, but there's the watch hours and then there's the public. So I'm thinking that they combine both of them together. Not really sure. Um, I think they combine both of them together. Not really 100% sure how the watch hours go, but if that's the case, um, if it's based on the watch hours, I think I should be hitting that mark pretty soon. So, but um, that's why I put out a lot of 283 watch hours now. So watch hours, you're not talking about public hours. So watch hours are what we need, I guess, because it's a little bit confusing because they have watch hours and they have public hours. So I believe maybe it's whichever one you reach first. I'm not really sure how it works, but I'll find out this week or next week how that works. Um, but yeah, the watch hours is definitely the watch hours is definitely takes a long time. Yeah, movement. I checked it. I checked it all the time. But also remember, there's the public hours too, right? There's there's two of them. There's the watch hours and there's the public. Yes, definitely. Definitely. Israel Scott. Again, thanks for checking into the live and showing the support. Yeah. I do believe that. If it is the watch hours, then I don't think I'm far away. I think I'm just around the corner. Again, that's why I usually put out a lot of videos. I mixed them up with my channel. Obviously, you know, I try to mix them up. Up TSC exclusive. Um, Thanks for checking into the live stream. Um, Again, much appreciated for the support of the channel. Um, I try to mix up my videos, here and there. Um, Try to do some videos, some shorts. I do a lot of shorts. You know, um, but the videos. Obviously, you see me post a lot of videos. Sometimes I do like 5 minutes. Sometimes I do 4 minutes. It all depends. I don't normally like to do the 20 minutes because it takes a while to get through the algorithm. I realize, and um, it's just a lot of times it's not worth my headache. I do have I do um, you're speaking bonjour bonjour destiny la base c'est le respect. Uh, uh, I believe you're speaking French. I don't know if you speak English, but merci beaucoup. Um, I believe that's French. Um, and um, Bienvenue à my channel. So, like I said, um, Monsieur Bonheur Destiny. That's definitely French. Um, um, Tu viens de où? So again, um, and yeah, I do speak French. It's my second language that I learned when I came to Canada. So I do speak French. I'm fluent in French. That's why I know that he's got to be French. Just the name alone and the accent that he's using. Um, yes, Movement TV. That's my well, my first language is English. Well, broken English, but the second language that I learned when I came to Canada as a kid, it's French. So I am fluent in French. Um, so I do speak French again. Uh, a lot of times you'll see me corresponding with some people in the comment section inside when they comment on my video. You'll see me corresponding with them in French. It's more of a it's so I did go to school. Um, so the thing is, when you come to Canada, when you come as a kid, when you land in a certain province, a lot of times they send you have to go to French school, unless you're someone from the family who happen to be in English. It's the only time that you can pull yourself out of a French school. But for me, I had no choice to go to school, to French school. I did about 5 years French. So I'm fluent. I speak it. I write it. I read it. the whole 9 yards. Um, um, Sometimes it takes me a while to respond, but I'm thinking, I'm searching for my words. Uh, but a lot of time, once I get going with someone who speaks French, I can carry on a fluent conversation with the person. Um, so yeah, a movement. Yeah, I speak French. That's that's the second language that I have, and it's the second language that I always carry. Yeah, they are. It might be. Hold on one second. I think they're what they're doing is they're tiling. So I'm going to try to leave this floor. But yeah, movement. That is my second language. A lot of people are not aware of it. Um, I tend not to. I tend only to speak it when I have to. If I don't have to, I don't use it. But it doesn't mean that it's not in the brain. It's still there. It never goes away. Once you learn it, you learn it. So it's something that I've carried with me for over 20 something years now. It's not a bad language to. It's actually a great language to learn. Um, you know, so yeah, so that's it. Yeah, so it's my second language, and like I say, a lot of people are not aware of it until I tell them that I do. I do. Normally, I don't speak it because a lot of people don't. The channels I go on, Gaza Uncle and your channel and Israel Scott channel and so on. A lot of people don't communicate in French; they're all English. And obviously, when you're living in the states, um, a lot of people don't. It's not their second language, so I don't expect them to correspond with me in French. It's mostly, uh, you know, France, um, um, Quebec. Um, I believe New Brunswick over here in Canada. Um, so again, a lot of people don't are not aware that I do speak it, but yeah, I do. But yeah, a movement. Um, so like I said, I believe I'm getting near to the. I believe I'm getting near to the hours of the hours that I need. Um, uh, Up, Mr. Gazer. Thanks for checking into the live stream. Thanks for you know showing the support of the channel. Um, Much appreciated. So I believe I'm close to that Movement TV. You see how much you needed. Um, I think I need about 500 more Up Movement TV. 500 more. hours. If I'm doing the calculations right, and if it is what it is, I think probably this week or next week I should have those hours. Um, so um, yeah. My I didn't even charge my. Okay. Yeah, a movement. I do. Like I said, I do. I do. I'm trying to. It's like I said. It's hard. To When I first started, it looked a little bit hard. But like I said, I put um, I put a lot of videos out there. It's more like something like what um, Vice Cartel does. I put a lot of videos out there, and I just let them go. Um, I don't depend on one video. Um, it's been working for me for a while, so I just continue to put a lot of videos out. I my problem is I think before was that I wasn't doing a lot of videos. I was doing a lot of shorts, and as you know, the shorts it takes um, it takes time. Also, the that's why I keep saying movement. You got to do the live streams also. So it's something that I've been doing the live streams for a while now, and it's been working. Um, so yeah, that's why you need to you know I'm not sure how close you are at movement, but that's why I put out a lot of videos. I know people might think I'm a little bit, uh, but the only way to get to whatever you want, wherever you want to get, is by putting out a lot of videos. Yeah, you're no, but also your life. It doesn't matter either because your lives. If a lot of people watches them, it's all good too because then watch hours tend to go up a lot faster also, right? So, um, but yeah, you need at least an hour or so, of a good life all the time. Um, a lot of times that's why I go live for about an hour, and it basically it basically adds up, But our life should get you a lot of watch hours, depending on who's on the channel, right? But yeah, bro, just continue doing what you're doing. Um, like I said, that's why I put out a lot of videos. Up 9 to 5 boss. Um, Thanks for checking into the live stream. Much appreciated for the support of the channel. Continue support of the channel. Um, yeah, a lot of times that's what I do. A movement. I put out a lot of videos, and I just let them go and see how they go. And um, sometimes they hit, sometimes they don't. Right? It's just part of the figuring out process, right? So, but you definitely should. Your life should definitely be at least you know at least um, an hour long. Get people familiar. You already have the people that tune in, so you should do at least an hour live. Yes. Um, um, 9 to 5 boss. All is well. But yeah, you should definitely put out at least an hour or so lives. Um, probably like 2 or 3 lives um, a day. They also count towards your public watch hours, and I believe that they combine both the public and the watch hours together. So whatever watch hours you get from your lives, I believe they go towards the whatever public watch hours you get, they go towards your watch hours. So I believe they combine both of them together. Um, so yeah, I think you should definitely put out a lot more live streams, a lot longer. Instead of the 12 minutes. Depending on your schedule, obviously, right? A lot of times I used to wake up early to do a live stream, but it gets too much because obviously I have my daily work. I have to run my business too. So a lot of times early in the morning it tends to get too tiresome. Um, so I pick and choose if I'm going to go live. Um, yeah, movement anytime. Yeah, definitely. Bump it up to at least half an hour, or even if you go 3 times a day. You know, sometimes kind of mix it up. Do do Don't always do the StreamYard. Do the Go through the YouTube. Um, you get a lot of uh, views like that also. So a lot of times it's different. But obviously, for what you're doing, you need the StreamYard, right? That's the only difference, right? But yeah, that's why you see, when I first started, a lot of times I was more hesitant to do the lives, but once Sasha Ice and Kim was there, it was easy for me to transition into doing my lives over an hour. I was very nervous at the beginning, um, so I only used to do about 20 minutes or so. And once you get the confidence to just sit back and talk and do your lives, then just uh, it becomes nothing, right? Um, you can basically pop out anytime, and a lot of times I don't plan my lives. If you see, I don't um, I don't put up my live streams so a lot of people can see it, because a lot of times I don't know what I'm going to talk about. So I just once I get the spirit, and I build up enough confidence. Well, not confidence, but once I figure out what I'm going to talk about, sometimes it hit me during the day. Sometimes it hits me while I'm driving. I just normally just go live. For that reason, I don't do I don't put up a live stream. I don't set a time. Um, I just go with the flow, right? But but yeah, doing the both of them will get you your time faster. Uh, but keep in mind that I've been doing this since October, but ending in October. But you know, um, when I started out, I wasn't doing live streams. I wasn't doing any videos. I was doing a lot of shorts and stuff like that. I think maybe a month after I started doing live streams, don't remember. So if I had started my live streams, obviously to go live you need 50 subs, right? So if I had started my live streams and kept doing them consistently, I probably would have been finished already. I don't know. But I'm in no rush. Obviously, um, it will come. It will get there. But yeah, okay. So basically, what I've done is I've turned on the circuit that I needed to turn on. Hopefully it is that circuit that I need. Um, hopefully it is that circuit that I need on. Let's see if it's con. Yeah. Definitely consistent is definitely the way to go because if you're not consistent, then you kind of don't get to where you need to go, right? So, um, but yeah, you're pretty consistent, right? So that's at least that's number one thing you have going for you, right? You know, I've been trying to stay consistent from the time I started, but a lot of times due to what pops up in your life, right? You have to due to what pops up in your life, then you have to you have to go with the flow, right? So basically, like I said, I'm trying to figure out, I'm trying to get power inside of the room, but it is kind of difficult because these guys, obviously, they have these here, which are, right where my switches are. So it's going to be kind of hard for me to try to get my power on. Obviously, you know, yeah, definitely. Like I said, constant is the way. Yeah, this is basically what's in my way right now, and it's kind of hard for me. Obviously, I don't want to mess around with it because it seems like it's pretty expensive, and I don't want it to fall. So I'm going to have to leave it. I'm basically trying to power up these switches here so I can power up this side of the room. But obviously, this stuff here is kind of in my way, and again, that's the problem that I run into. Um, But yeah, a movement TV. A lot of times it's cons- consistent is definitely the way to go. Obviously, I want to power up these lights. Half of this side is not powered up, and it's kind of frustrating when you don't have when they put this stuff in front of where you have to get to your switches. So yeah, it's just it becomes a waste of time too. Obviously, uh, but yeah, consistent is definitely the way to go. And so yeah, again, this was like I said, it was just a it's over. And, obviously, with me having the cold, I wasn't able to. I didn't remember to charge my phone. Uh, I, yeah, so that's basically what the stairs look like for all those who haven't seen it. That's what the stairs looks like. Yes, Israel Scott definitely. It's we call it a mansion over here, so it's definitely um, a huge home. Um, so that's basically what it looks like. Um, with the and again, this here is elevator, and this is basically the stairs to the basement, right? And that's the kitchen. That's, this is the kitchen. There's a nanny kitchen, which is right here. So I'm trying to power up this side of the home right now, but obviously, like I said, those tiles are in my way, and can't really can't really power it up because I don't want to break the tiles. So I'm not even going to try to move it. But yeah, this is what the home looks like. Obviously, this is not the full view. It's footage of you know yeah. So it's just footage of it's definitely a fancy home. Yeah, it's what you call a fancy home. Um, this is a high ceiling here. As you can see, like it's pretty high. That's my chandelier. It's going to be there. That's the lift that I'm going to use to drop the chandelier down. Um, yeah, reason why um, my phone is charging, and like I say, I can't let it get to below where it needs to get. So I'm going for my charger. Bless up, Gaza, Libra. Thanks for stopping by and showing the support uh, of the channel. So yeah, this is basically these stairs that we have. Those are those wires. They are basically going to be lighting that I have to put below the stairs. They're low voltage, and they're going to kind of reflect downwards. I have done a lot of stair lighting, and it is kind of different from what I normally do. Normally, you know, the stair lights I've put in before is a lot different, but it's nothing that I can't figure out. Um, so that's why I have. That's why you see my wires there. Um, they're basically all in place to and ready to go. Right, and oh, you miss out a lot of lessons from the other day. Um, that's fine. Normally, I usually do the live streams um, in the evening. A lot of times I show the videos in the evening also, Gaza Libra. So you're welcome. You a lot of times in the evening, like I said, I do the videos and I show the work I'm doing. Um, so this is the garage. This is just temporary lighting. Obviously, I needed to power up this area here, and so these two plugs here I have originally the um, the garage door I thought was going to be coming up, but obviously because of the height, it has to go. Um, it goes up, so the I had to relocate them um, from here to the other side, and obviously a lot of things was closed up on me, so a lot of times you'll see holes like this pipe here. This pipe is a generator pipe, and it's got to go on the outside. So the drywall was closed up, and I have to relocate these wires to the outside. But and then here, this is the garage. Again, these are my pop lights that I'm going to be installing. Excuse me, I'm under the weather, cold, so it might sound a little bit low. But obviously, I have to build a scaffold here. Um, there's no way in hell I'm using that scaffold to try to do work here. It's pretty dangerous. So I got to build a scaffold of some sort. some plywood across and make my own scaffold so I can work up here. I also have to bring a feeder cable on the outside also. So this drywall in the corner has to get cut. I still need to get my feeder cable out to pick up the pool house. And this the basement. Um, these are all pot lights, speaker cables. That area is going to lead over to the tunnel, but we have it closed because of the draft that's coming in. Try not to go in a certain area because I might lose Wi-Fi signal. Um, so these wires here are basically contacts, uh, contacts for the windows. So every window has a contact inside of the basement also. So you see these are all contacts, right? Part of the security system, which I did. I did. Um, and here is going to be, a TV. It's going to be a TV here. This again, this is a garage, so it's going to be like I'll say like 5 or 6 cars you can park underneath here. So it's just a quick tour. I'm not sure if you guys. There's probably a lot of people that would have missed the basement. This here is going to be a bar in this area. Um, so if you see that yellow wire I have, it's normally a lot of times, not normally, mo all the time I use 12 gauge in the kitchen um, for heavy appliances like um, microwave and you know kettles and those things. A lot of times I use the 20 amp. Reason why I use the 20 amp is because there's a rule. Uh, if you use 15, then you have to put it on a special GFCI breaker, and that breaker alone, depending on the panel, can cost anywhere from 150 to 200. So a lot of times oh, no, sorry, when you use the 20 amp gauge wire, you don't need that. But because this is not a kitchen, it's not part of a kitchen, so I have to. I will eventually still have to protect my wires with an arc fault breaker. If it was a kitchen, then I wouldn't have to protect these wires. But because it's a kitchen, it's not a kitchen, I have to. And so over here is basically two TVs on this wall. This area here is basically an area where you can go smoke, where you can go smoke, right? It's a smoking area. It's got a TV in this area also. So the home's full of pot lights, whole 9 yards. Um, there is two center lights in this area. Um, and it also has a sump pump here. There's like four sump pumps in this home um, to suck up the water. And this is the basement, uh, the other side of the basement. For all those who has Mystic. This is basically the theater room. Those wires on the back wall here, on that wall here straight ahead, those are basically speaker wires. I think there's about 15 speakers inside of this room. Um, Obviously, it's a theater room, so you want to have the full effect of the theater room. So both sides going to have speakers on the walls, and even the front here, there's speakers also. And this is basically what we call an elevator, elevator pick. I still have to I still have to put a light in here and a receptacle. It's required by code. Uh, Reason being is a lot of times they might have to do some type of work in here, and they need some type of light in order to be able to see at the bottom of the elevator. So normally you put a plug and a light inside of here, along with a switch. And this is the gym room. Again, for all those who has basically missed it out. These are pot lights, and the reason why the pot lights are spread out like this is because this area here has a return, air return, and can't really cannot put pot lights in that area. So for this reason, there's more pot lights in this area here. They're all spaced out. Obviously, they're all the same distance, and so this is going to be a gym, and these are the outlets I have. There's one, two, three, four on this side here, and there's two on this side along with the TV. Um, this area here is what you call a cold room. So there's a cold room in this area here. People normally store stuff in that area. Um, I still have to put a light in this area, and when it comes to this area here, I have to use I have to protect I have to use some type of conduit, um, liquid type, water resistant in this area. So I still have to work in this area, and that there is another sump pump. So like I said, there's five sump pumps in this home to suck the water out. And this is Nanny's room. So as you can see, everything is done. I believe there's a final coat that we still have to put when it comes to painting. Um, oh, okay. This is a closet for the nanny's. This is the nanny's room, and this here is the my 400 amp disconnect. Obviously, I'm going to have to lock this off. And these pipes here that I have, they have to go on the outside. I just have to get my apprentice to check the code book to make sure I can run these wires, these pipes on the outside. Reason being, I've never used these pipes on the outside yet. Normally, you use it. There's something called slab. You run these pipes underneath the floor when you're doing high-rise buildings and stuff like that. You run these pipes on the outside in the concrete before they pour the concrete. Or a lot of times when you're working in a high-rise building, you use them inside of the suites that you're working. So I've never used these pipes on the actual outside of the walls. So I don't. It's something that I have to check in the book, which I'm going to have my apprentice check. But so if I am allowed to, then I will put these pipes on the outside. Fabian, do you live? No, this is no. Why you ask me that? It's real, Scott. No, I don't live in a mansion. Um, no, I don't. I don't live in a mansion, Israel Scott. Um, um, of course, living in a mansion comes with, you know, you got to worry about taxes, and the taxes becomes a lot more. The bigger the home, uh, the bigger the land is. It's more taxes you pay. So yeah, again, and like I said, these pipes here, I have to um, I have to somehow get them on the outside, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to use them on the outside. Uh, so my apprentice is going to check for me. Um, and this is basically the nanny's washroom, fan, um, two pot lights. Again, the pot light inside of the shower has to be approved for water. So it's not the normal pot light that you're going to use, and it is a code rule. And normally there's a check at the end of the job to make sure that you do have the proper pot light inside of the shower. Um, um, it's real, Scott. Why would I live in a mansion? Um, no, I don't. I don't. That's a funny one. No, I don't live in a mansion. Um, like I said, it's a lot of taxes that you have to pay. The bigger the home, you know, the more headache. So this is a furnace room here, and the washer and dryer in this area, and Israel Scott, you're funny. Um, this here is steaming area. Um, come out the shower, they come into here, and they I guess cool down whatever that uh, that does. I believe that's what that is. And this is basically another washroom here. If I lived in a mansion, Israel Scott, I wouldn't be I wouldn't be working here right now. Well, I can't say I wouldn't be working here, but so yeah, so that's basically a walkthrough of the basement, Gaza Libra, and this is basically the electrical room here, and um, these are my feeder cables. Obviously, I still have work to do in here. Um, I'm not I'm not done yet. I have to clip all of these wires here before final. I have to separate these wires from the duct. Um, if it's a return for heat, but if it's a return for heat, then I have to put my separation. Obviously, it'll cause a fire if I don't. So, and that's the panel that I installed. So yeah, obviously I had to put this panel up on my own because the my apprentice was not available. These two cables here I had to run on my own. Don't ask me how I get it done, how I got it done, but I was able to get it done. Um, I guess with the willpower and the determination, anything's possible once you put your mind to it. So that's basically a walkthrough of the basement. Um, Obviously, I cannot get to the other side because I believe they closed off the one side, and this here is basically the entrance to the home from the garage. So I have a this is a three-way switch. There's two three-way switches. There's one here, and the other one is over at the other side of the that door. So basically, what a three-way switch does is you can turn off from two locations. Now, if I wanted to turn off from four locations, then I would have to, you know, it's something that obviously not everyone would know about it, but with the correct running of the cable, I can basically turn off from here if I wanted to, turn on from here, and again turn off from that location if I wanted to use, if I wanted to control the lights from three locations, or four locations, or five locations. Again, it all depends on your power wire and your return wire. Power wire is the wire you feed the switch to power it up, and the return is the wire that basically goes up to the light. And so this area was a lot messier before, and so this area, those are my yeah, a movement TV. um, so this area here is this is going to have a panel here. This is going to be built in, and so you're not going to see this panel. And those wires are basically my security wires, and the wires on the top are basically for my data um, inside of each bedroom, and these are the wires here are the for the speakers on the main floor and the second floor. and the blue cable is for the cameras. Uh, so again, I'm not the one who did the camera system. I'm quite capable of, but uh, I'm pretty sure if the homeowner knew, he would have given me the that job also. But um, it would have been too much for me. So sometimes I try not to take on too much that I can't handle. Yeah, definitely. Anything is possible once you put your mind to it. This is a kids' playroom here, right? And again, the reason why I have the two lights is because I don't want to. There's one pot light here, and there's another pot light. The reason why you can see two pot lights alone uh, basically powers up this room and it gives it enough light for people to work in. So I didn't really want to continue with the lighting because, as you see, once the guys start to spray, they're going to spray all over the lights. And I simply, um, I can remove those lights, use them somewhere else as temporary lights. Obviously, I'm not going to use them at the end of the job. Um, and yeah, so I'll show you guys who hasn't seen it before. Also, uh, so yeah, I'm not done here yet. Unfortunately, I'm going to be here for a while. Look like, and so this area here, I have to, as you can see, I started my pot lights here. Um, so once I get my free up time, I have to build this scaffold out here to finish off my lighting up here. As you can see, it's pretty high, but um, heights don't really scare me. So I have my fair share of heights, so I'm accustomed to heights. And this here is basically a kitchen, two speakers on the outside, and those are my circuits for the kitchen. And these are my walls constants that I have on the outside, along with one receptacle here. There's actually five receptacles outside here, one on each column, and there's a light on every column, along with speakers out here also. So there's one, two, three, four, five. There's seven speakers on the outside of the house, and so this is the pool, and that corner there is a hot tub. Yeah, yeah, same house. Up movement. I cannot manage two of these houses at the same time. It's it's very. I'm just showing it because maybe Israel Scott would have probably not seen it, and Gaza Liber and Kim and everyone who's checking into their life probably wouldn't have seen the full tour. And because I have so many videos, it's hard for someone to find um, which video um, that's out there. Um, but yeah, I cannot. It's impossible for me to do such a big job like this and take on another big project. Um, it wouldn't fit in my schedule, and it would just burn me out. and make me all tired and drowsy, and the whole 9 yards. So a job like this, I just do you know some small jobs, when when I get a call. I try not to do nothing too big because, like I said, it takes up a lot of my time, and it's just too much. So normally I do the one big job like this, and I just relax myself, right? Um, if I had other workers, then probably yeah. But um, there's a rule on that. So in Canada or Ontario, you're only allowed one apprentice per journeyman. So, but yeah, it's the same home, and so yeah, definitely. And I believe yeah. So like I said, I can't. I wanted to power up these lights here. This is the one side that needs to power up, but because these are towels and these are expensive, as you can see, I don't want to try to even trouble one of them. I won't even be able to move it, so I'm not going to even bother to try to power up this side, because I can't get to the switch anyways. So it is what it is. So again, it's so yeah. So like I said, a movement you need to do about an hour live, and um, you're fine, But yeah, again, yes, Israel Scott. Thanks again for checking into the live. It was it was uh, it was nice to have you guys, Israel Scott, show up to the support the channel. So yeah, this I'm gonna cut the live now, as I have to go down into the basement to power up the lights in the gym area. Um, so I kind of don't want to leave unless I get some type of lighting power up. Um, that way my day is not wasted. A lot of times I come to do one thing, and I have to divert myself from doing something else to doing something else, and something that happened today. So yeah, I'd like to thank everyone for checking into my life. I'd like to big up Israel Scott for the continuous support of the channel. Uh, I also like to big up um, Um, don't remember his name was. Mansoor. Mansoor. Thank you for the support of the channel and checking into my life. Again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can also go ahead and subscribe uh, to the channel. And also like to thank Kim, uh, a big supporter of the channel. Thank you for the continuing support of the channel and Movement TV. Um, Big supporter of the channel also and the videos. Um, yeah, thanks for the continuing support of the channel and helping it to grow. Also, Patrick Gaza 6. Thank you for checking in and continuing to support the channel. And Mr. Gaza also, thank you for the continuing support of the channel and the continuing support of my videos. Uh, Much appreciated. And Gaza Liver also, another supporter of the channel. Thank you for the continuing support of the live streams and the support again. Also, TSE exclusive. Thank you for the support of the channel. Uh, Even checking into the live stream. Thank you again. And also, Monsieur Bonner. Um, um, Again, merci beaucoup pour le support à mon channel. Uh, so that's a little bit of French I'm speaking because the person, obviously, like I said, he's French, and my second language is French. Um, and 9 to 5 boss, yes. Thank you for the continuing support of the channel and continuing to support my videos. Uh, uh, Much appreciated. And also like to also thank um, Gaza Uncle, another big supporter of the channel. Thanks for the support and bless up yourself wherever you are. Um, Hope all is well. And also Sasha Ice, another big supporter of the channel. Bless up yourself wherever you are. And Orlando Fairweather, another big supporter. Crew Breezy 45, another big supporter of the channel. So there's many other names that, like I said, continue to support the channel. And I would like to thank you all for the continuing support. And I will catch you guys on the next video.